ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ತಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ.
So on Zameer Ahmed's statement saying that Siddaramaiah should become the chief minister, that everyone should pray for it. What is your take on it, sir?
My general secretary will reply to all this when he comes to Bangalore.
Recently, Mr. Zameer Ahmed made a statement regarding saying that everyone should pray for Siddaramaiah to become the chief minister. How do you see this statement?
Well, it is this wishful thinking. There is nothing wrong in it. We are not ruled by Nagpur University. We are a democratic party. There is a freedom of expression, but it is his wish. Nobody can stop him what he wants to say. But it is not like the other political parties, which is guided and directed by the Nagpur University.
So do you stand by his statement, sir?
Neither I am going to support his statement, nor I am opposed to his statement. My stand is very clear. These are all very sensitive issues that should be left to the High Command and the decisions of the legislative party.
But sir, these kind of statements could always lead to a confusion.
No, nothing. This is nothing new in the Congress party. But Zameer Ahmed is very new to the Congress party. It takes little time to adjust to this culture of the Congress party. But nothing wrong. He has said it. It's fine. But ultimately, it is the Congress legislative party and the Congress president Sonia Gandhi ji will take a call on this. And no one should force or should play politics in this.